Is your Chevy Blazer key fob 2019-2021 unresponsive? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Symptoms include a dimmed LED light or the remote failing to lock/unlock your doors. First, confirm the issue isn't a connectivity problem. Some Chevy apps can test fob connectivity. If it's the battery, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, available for $2 to $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or a guitar pick. Environmental regulations now encourage recycling the old battery at Chevy dealerships, which often offer free drop-off programs. To replace the key fob battery, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or guitar pick and a new CR2032 battery. Gently pry open the key fob case, starting at the keyring slot, using the flathead screwdriver or guitar pick. Be careful to avoid damaging the internal electronics. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side faces up before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together firmly to secure the battery. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it works properly. If the remote still doesn't work, try reprogramming it via the vehicle's ignition or a Chevy app. If problems persist, corrosion cleaning with isopropyl alcohol is sometimes needed.